Welcome back to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is easy Moroccan lamb. As normal, a full list of ingredients can be found in the description box below. Having never been to Morocco, I can't tell you if this is authentic or not, but it is tasty. Okay, first heat the oil in a suitably sized casserole dish until it's nice and hot, and then brown the meat in batches. When all the lamb is nice and caramelised, simply remove from the pan and reserve. Well, you're not going to remove from the pan and throw them away, are you? Then it's time to add the onions and garlic to the pan, mixing around well, making sure you get all the nice tasty bits off the bottom of the pan. Then it's time to add the sweet potato and again mix through well. The next ingredients into the pot are the Ras El Hanout spice mix, I hope I said that correctly, salt and pepper to taste, and the harissa paste, and again mix in thoroughly. If you can't find that Ras El Hanout spice mix, just use 2 teaspoons of curry powder and 1 teaspoon of garam masala instead. And when those spices are all mixed in, add the lamb back to the pot. When this is done, it's time to add in the tomatoes and apricots. Follow that with a splash of water, on with the lid, and off to 150°C oven for 3 hours. When the 3 hours are up, simply remove from the oven. Serve and enjoy. I hope you like this recipe. Feel free to subscribe, share and like, and hopefully we'll see you soon again on the next one. Bye for now.